So I'm not from San Francisco, California. I'm from Arkansas. And the seat on this thing is good enough for me. All right. So if you actually go to work 12 hours a day or 10 hours a day, or if you don't ever did that, then the seat is good enough. I'm gonna mount this solar panel on top. I already got two fans, one on this side, and I got one on the other side, but it's on the inside. So my whole goal is to build an off-grid solar-powered electric vehicle charging station that also powers my home. I set out on this, well, I came up with this idea like probably 5 years ago, but this right here is what's going to change the game. Now all I need is an EV charger and it's up. I can get an EV. Now I'm not going to tell y'all which EV I'm looking at because y'all be buying up all my stuff before I can even buy it myself and raising up the prices. But electric vehicle coming soon. This thing is just gonna boost my voltage up. Right now I only have 120 voltage. So all of these are just on parallel 120 volt only. That way I can when I'm like plugging in stuff, I don't have to worry about only having 6,000 watts on each leg. I have 12,000 watts on one leg right now. So I don't have to worry about balancing the loads when I'm in the house. I don't want my wife to have to worry about that because she don't know what that is. But this, I'm gonna hook all these up to this, and I'm hoping that this can really just balance the loads for me, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna take my whole house to 240 volt and end up getting a real oven I got one in storage. It's been in storage for a long time. I just been waiting to get this. It took a while. I had to build up. This stuff did not happen overnight. It did not happen overnight. It took this isn't it like this blue thing. The price of these things have dropped tremendously. When I first was looking at these things, they were over $1,000. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm holding this thing and it was under $500. Yeah, from Amazon. That's after shipping and tax and everything. It's a used one, but it's Victron. Bro, I got a Victron now, man. I thought that made me official when I got that Life Power 4 battery. But first I thought having an inverter, because that's what I got first, made me official. Then I thought that, no, really what you need is these inverters. I would skip this whole server rack battery thing and just go straight for the golf cart batteries. And this, like this really did the thing for me, man. Thank God. All praise to Yahweh.